Hey everybody. Do you got worms? These are my pet worms. They're my composting worms. And today I'm going to show you how to feed the worms. This is my gardening task for today. So my name is Tia Silvesi and I'm the Florida Friendly Landscaping Extension Agent in Orange County. And today I'm going to show you how to feed your worms. So you might have a standard compost pile, but composting with worms is kind of taking it to the next level, and you'll get top quality compost you can be adding to your garden. So this is my weekly collection of vegetable food scraps, and I'm going to show you what you can feed the worms and what I might save for the regular compost pile. Let me note that these are special composting worms that you should buy from a reputable worm farmer. I know there's Our Vital Earth up in Apopka or Revitalized Gardening. And so let's get started. So banana peels, this is their favorite. They love raw vegan diets and any kind of fruit or vegetable scraps. So I just rip it up a little bit to put it in there because they have very small mouths. Coffee grinds and the coffee paper filter. This is all great for the worms. Avocado shell. This is very slow to biodegrade, so you can put it in there, maybe rip it up, or you could save it for the regular composting pile. Eggshells, again, you can put it in here, but slow to biodegrade, or save for the regular composting pile. So one thing that I usually try not to put in there is avocado pits, because either they're going to grow or they'll just last a long time. So I'll save that for my regular composting pile. Let's see what else we got. Some papaya peels, and I got a tea bag here. So you got to look at the tea bags carefully. If they're just made out of paper, then you can add that to the worm bin. If they're made out of a different material that's non-biodegradable, then don't add them because they will take a while to biodegrade. So here's something that you need to know here, very important. Do not add papaya seeds to your worm bins because, as I understand, they make the worms sterile. So just put these for your regular composting or save the seeds and grow them. I also have a lot of citrus here. And if you just have a half of a lemon squeeze, that's fine. But I actually juiced like 5 oranges. So this could throw off the pH of the worm bin a little bit. I'm going to save those for my regular composting pile. So most of this other stuff is good, more of the same. I have some beet peels. They love these. Like, the smaller you chop it up, the better, and they'll just eat it up. I do have some shrimp peels, and again, they like a raw vegan diet, so this I will put into my regular composting pile. So that's just part of, the daily tasks in the garden. After you add all the food, then you cover it up with the paper. And I have another video about using paper to put in your worm bin to make top quality compost. So that's it for today, and have a great week and stay tuned for more gardening tips.